All right, fellas, if you want to take your fitness game to the next level, you're going to apply the rowing machine to your routine. You're going to row like there's no tomorrow because the rowing machine gives you a full body workout. It attacks your endurance and it's going to get you to look sharp. Let's go. All right, here's how you're going to do it. You're going to strap your feet in the thickest part of your feet. You're then going to grab that handle, extend through the legs, feel the drive, pulling with your lats. Bring the handle to the sternum, extend the arms, fold the legs. Once again, drive through the legs, bring the arms in, handle to sternum, extend those arms, fold the legs. Make sure you're sitting nice and straight, that your torso is perpendicular to the ground. And this is how you do it. All right, fellas, so don't waste any more time. Row your way to greatness, feel the burn, and push yourself. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.